Hi, my name is Darren from HTJ.tax, and we're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing rule of international tax. And today we have the honor and privilege of speaking with Marios in Cyprus. Marios, can you please introduce yourself?
Of course. My name is Marios Giannakridis, and I am a senior tax manager at Total Serve Management Limited. Total Serve Group has been around for 53 years, and it's basically an umbrella of several different companies. It's basically a one-stop shop where someone can come here and receive any and all kind of professional services, either corporate, legal, audit, tax, pretty much the whole lot. We pride ourselves on being somewhere in the middle of small firms and big four firms, which gives us an advantageous position to cater to all clients' needs while also keeping our personal touch.
Fantastic. Thank you. So the next topic I wanted to get your thoughts on were Cyprus Trusts for non-residents.
Sure. I'm not a trust expert and I'm not a trust lawyer, but we do have specialized colleagues here, lawyers who do deal with trusts, and we also have a dedicated trust company. So whenever a client comes to me and asks me about trust, I will simply introduce them to my colleague. But from what I do know, I will tell you this. We have this thing called Cyprus International Trust. It's for persons who are not Cypriot tax residents. They can incorporate the trust now, appoint the settlor and the beneficiaries. And once they do, after 1 year, they can become Cypriot tax residents. This, in order to be honest, is not so much about tax planning. It's about safeguarding your assets from creditors. It's about inheritance reasons. It's about establishing a legacy for your children, that kind of stuff. So I would not say so much about tax, but okay. If you do set up a trust in Cyprus and you want to inject assets in it, usually what you do is you set up an underlying company beneath the trust. So whatever income is generated out of those assets, it will be generated at the level of the company. You do realize that trusts are transparent, and any income that is generated at the trust level is going to hit the beneficiaries. So the reason for having a company beneath it is to accumulate the income there and not hit the beneficiaries straight away, and then decide the timing and the method of making the distributions to the beneficiaries. It is quite a popular instrument here in Cyprus, and we do have many cases of people asking, but usually it's for reasons, tax is a consideration, but it's mostly a secondary consideration. They're thinking about how to protect their assets, how to provide for their children when they actually will need it, that kind of stuff.
Right, absolutely. So it's really about asset protection and estate planning rather than tax planning.
More so I would say about that. Yeah, not so much about tax planning.
Okay, gotcha. Thanks for that.
Sure.
And a related topic, could you talk to us a bit about Cyprus Family Foundations?
We don't have that actually. And if we have it, I think we do not have it at all. And even if we have it, I haven't heard a single case of establishing a foundation in Cyprus. So I'm going to go with the safe bet and tell you that it probably doesn't even exist here as a concept. I realize that in Switzerland, it's kind of the contrary. They have foundations, but not so much trust. In Cyprus, it's the other way around. We only deal with trust, not foundations.
Okay. So Marios, if someone wants to reach out to you and find out more, what's the best way to reach you?
Either through phone or through email, but it's usually done through emails. Available during normal office hours, but also 24/7. If someone wants to reach out, I will make time for my client. But basically, that's it. Simple.
What's your preferred email address?
Oh, it's marios.giannakridis@totalserve.eu.
Fantastic. Thank you.